I would recommend Resourcen to all of the tech-driven companies, and I think it is the best HR platform that anyone can ever have. Okay, so Resourcen has really made it easier for me with all of those Power BI tools that they have introduced into their system. The analytics that I want are just one click away. So usually it used to take about 4 to 5 working days for me to calculate all of the working hours manually. Can do that tasks in about one day now. So Resourcen has really reduced all the manual labor for me. So Resourcen for Software Finder is far more than just an HR platform. It is basically a one-click solution to all of our problems. Hi everyone, my name is Rafa OS and I am currently working as an HR business partner at Software Finder. So currently we're a team of about 330 employees, and we are one of the top 5 global SaaS companies. So in our HR department, we particularly have 2 domains. One is the talent acquisition domain and the other one is the people excellence domain. So we currently have about 10 employees in the HR department that, manages the whole HR for the company. Okay, so before implementing Resourcen into our system, the major challenges that we faced were, about basically manually managing all of the attendance issues. So as you all know that we work in different time zones. So our teams are also working in the US time zones as well. So managing all of the attendance for 330 employees was a big task that, Resourcen solved for all of us. So now it is very easy for us to implement the hybrid shift modules, the remote modules, and also the on-site modules. And this is the major thing that really helped us in our daily tasks. Okay, so recently Resourcen has integrated this really amazing attendance dashboard through which we can see the percentages of the working hours for every employee each month. So before this thing was implemented into Resourcen, I used to do the manual labor every month to calculate the working hours for every single employee. So I would say that now it's just a click away and I don't have to go through all of these manual adjustments and manual calculations for the attendances. And now I feel like it is much more easier for me to calculate the attendance scores for every employee. So usually it used to take about 4 to 5 working days for me to calculate all of the working hours manually, but now it's just a click away and I can do that tasks in about one day now, and I feel like that has really solved a lot of problems for me and also has reduced a lot of manual labor for me. Okay, so Resourcen has really made it easier for me with all of those Power BI tools that they have introduced into their system, and now all the dashboards and all the analytics that I want are just one click away. So it has really made it easier for me to analyze all of the data that I once used to make the reports myself are now just one click away. So the real-time dashboards have really made it easier for us to track performance records and analyze all of the attendance trends over the past months. So I feel like it has made it a lot more easier for us, and it is just a lot more productive for us as well. So if I have to talk about one specific thing that Resourcen has made a lot easier for us would be that we have different departments within our company, and then we have different domains within those departments. So every domain follows a separate time zone or a separate shift timing. So what Resourcen has really made easier for us would be that we are able to now apply different shifts for all those domains and all those departments. So I thought that it was not possible at all before Resourcen came into being. But it actually is a lot normal and a lot easier for me to now just apply different shifts and different timings for all of the domains and different departments. Okay, so Resourcen has really reduced all the manual labor for me, and now I can actually focus on all of the strategic tasks for the company. And it is really easy for me to get time for my other strategic tasks, and apart from all the manual work that I used to do before, has now become a lot easier for me. So the centralized HCM has really helped us move beyond the administrative tasks and really focus on the business growth. I think I would never like to go back to manually managing attendance for all of the employees, and I feel like this is one of the main things that Resourcen really makes easier for me to manage the attendance in a more meaningful way. So I think that Resourcen has really made it easier for all of our employees, because all of the things that they need are just one click away. So whether they want to have their pay slip, whether they want to check their PF balance, whether they want to check their leave balance or anything else, all of this is just one click away, and Resourcen has really made it easier for our employees. So Software Finder has been using Resourcen for more than 3 years now. So Resourcen for Software Finder is far more than just an HR platform. It is basically a one-click solution to all of our problems. So I would recommend Resourcen to all of the tech-driven companies, and I think it is the best HR platform that anyone can ever have.